what's going on in there? We're not renovating today.
Can you hand me the clippers? Almost done.
All right. Good? Oh my gosh!
Better.
What did you do?
You know, we weren't renovating the motorhome, so I thought I'd renovate my head.
I love it. Today is going to look a bit different. We are not renovating. We are putting ourselves, our mental health, and everything we've put on the back burner first. And that includes a little bit of organizing, spring cleaning, but most importantly, gathering some of our gear for an upcoming backpacking trip. So let's go do everything that's beyond renovating. Come on, do it.
You just lost. You just lost the game. You just lost. You just lost the game.
You just lost. You just lost the game.
You know, our minds might be a little bit messy, our RV might be a little messy, but that could be because our garage is a little bit messy. So let's fix that.
Oh my gosh! You didn't even save me any.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, what? You grew that, didn't you?
It's homegrown. It's like perfectly sweet, but it's like double the flavor of a regular strawberry.
Oh man!
Come try it. Come try it. Come try it.
Oh my gosh!
Take a nibble here. Take a nibble here.
Oh.
Take a nibble right here. Bigger nibble. There you go.
So fresh. So fresh.
It could be refrigerated and cold, but for room temperature, freshly picked strawberry.
Okay, let's get back to work. Hey, I bet you're wondering what this is, or not. This is all of our backpacking gear. And yes, we're gonna go backpacking. We've been wanting to go for a long time now. It's been on the list. And today we've been really focusing on stuff that we want to do, that we've been putting off because the renovations have been driving us crazy. So here's our spread of stuff we plan on taking. It's not everything. Any backpackers out there who have any tips, comments, suggestions, ideas, we'd love to hear them. This is kind of the adventure we've been waiting for, so stay tuned. And tonight we might be testing some of that gear right in our living room.
We will.
It's exciting.
That would suck to go out and find out it doesn't work out on the trail.
That'd be
Might as well find out
catastrophic.
now.
Yeah.
So here we go.
Are you ready to pack? Yeah, scratch my butt. Ooh. Oh, gosh. We are camping indoors tonight.
Oh, he's strong.
Camping indoors tonight. You know what? I feel good. This week, we decided not to pressure ourselves, and it feels so good. It's like a weight off of our shoulders. At least that's how I feel.
No pressure.
No, not at all. Just focus on stuff around the house, stuff we look forward to doing instead of cramming in renovation work. So
I'm excited for backpacking now.
I'm so looking forward to it. It's going to be really cool. So, I mean, I know it's different than what we've done before, but at the same time, holy heck, it feels so much better just to, like, go with the wind.
And it's exciting to know we're going to get outside. And if you have any backpacking recommendations,
I know.
let us know.
Because we don't know what we're doing.
Well, we have some
I
in
don't.
mind, but we're always researching
Yeah.
and wanting suggestions, so feels good to be in a tent.
Cool.
Even
Well,
if it's in our living room.
Yeah. If you want the next lucky sourdough, comment anything in relation to sourdough on the actual video, and you might have a loaf coming your way.
See you next time.
Bye.